Garnet County, Randolph County, Guilford County, southwestern Wake County, Chatham County until 5:45 p.m. At 11:51 a.m., emergency management officials reported flooding across the warned area, particularly along rivers, creeks and streams, and in urban areas. Do not drive around barricades into flooded roads. Some locations that will experience flooding include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, Cary, High Point, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Asheboro, Lexington, Graham, and Hillsboro. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Do not underestimate the power of flood waters. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can quickly carry away your vehicle. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely.